right. Before I go into how to do particles, I want to show you some quick examples here. So there's no shortage of free particle effects on the asset store. I'm going to show you 3 of them, all that come from Unity Technologies. First, I've mentioned the standard assets for Unity 2.18.4 that's available. It's a fairly big package, but you can throw away a lot of stuff that you don't need. It has some really great particles in it. I'll show you an older Unity particle pack for Unity 5. This one does have a glitch in it. You have to update the post-processing package to the latest verified version. I believe it's 2.3 in the package manager. And of course, the newest one, the Unity particle pack, works seamlessly out of the box. So just very quickly here, here's a little sample scene that comes with the standard assets, the sample scenes, and of course we can blow things up. There's an explosion here, and we can go on and look at another one. These are fires that we can start. There are 2 fires. There's fire complex and there's fire mobile, which is just a little lighter weight version of it. There's a dust storm that spreads over a large area. And there's a steam module that blows steam out of an object. It'll blow it sideways if you it blows in the direction of the normal of the surface. There's this rather clever water spray. The water spray is, of course, an interesting particle effect, but it also demonstrates how you can use particles to exert force on different things. So the particles are not just visible, but they're also having effects on the things that they hit. There's a really lovely fireworks demo that does some really fancy stuff with the sub-emitters of the particle system. Here's a flare that shows the little sparks bouncing off the ground, the collision module of the sparks, and we're back to explosion again. The second one is the Unity Particle Pack 5X. This is, as I mentioned, an older one. It came out to demonstrate the Shuriken particle system when it came into being in Unity 5. It has a fair number of effects. There's a big explosion. There's a small explosion. There's a plasma explosion, fire, and doing cool things like dripping. Of course, a flamethrower, a torch, smoke. It's worth looking at these to see how they did it. Sparks, electrical sparks, again, bouncing off the ground, a rainfall effect, storm clouds with rain coming out of them, dripping water, a rather nice waterfall with splash where it hits the lake, a bunch of shooting effects to make bullet holes where your bullet hits, different effects, all done with particles, all done to demonstrate the different things that you can do with particles. This one's kind of funny in that the particle effect extinguishes the fire. And of course, blood splatter for that gory sort of game, a rocket trail. Hard to see, but dust motes floating around This is great for giving a three-dimensional effect to things. Sand swirls, kind of like the steam effect, and we're back to big explosion again. Now the last one is the Unity particle pack. This is the newer one, and this one just has kind of an endless array of different particle effects that all with prefabs that you can take advantage of. Different kinds of explosions, different kinds of flames, big, small, medium flames, explosions, throwing chunks. There's a rocket going up into the sky. Various kind of spooky effects, lots of steam, vapor, of course, different water effects, and there's a whole nother row of these things. Fireflies, candles, sparks, interesting dissolve effects that are done with particles. Um, Here are all the gunshot effects again, goop, uh, which I assume you can do different things with. Uh, Weird sort of earth-shattering effects and ice lances that shoot tremendous bullets that do cool things. So I just wanted to show you these quickly before I go into how to implement these different tools. I'm going to stop the sharing here, and I'm going to end the recording, and I'll see you all in class, and we'll start talking about how to do this kind of stuff. Bye.